Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. And in this particular video, we are just going to be breaking down, some of the best Forex trading platforms and applications available right now. Okay. So if you've ever wondered whether to stick with MT4, upgrade to MT5, move to TradingView or try out cTrader, then this video is for you. All right. We are going to be starting with MetaTrader 4, okay, also known as MT4. All right, now MT4 has been around for years, and it is the most widely used Forex platform worldwide, right? And traders love it for its simplicity, reliability, and the huge range of custom indicators and expert advisors available. The interface is clean, the execution is fast, and it works well on both desktop and mobile. All right, so if you were just getting started or you like using tested and trusted tools, MT4 is still an excellent choice. Okay. Next, we have the MT5. All right, that is MetaTrader 5. Okay, think of MT5 as the more advanced version of MT4. All right, MT5 or MetaTrader 5 gives you more time frames, to analyze the market, advanced order types, and integrated economic calendar. Okay, so that you don't need to switch to another app for news, right? So it's also better suited for multi-asset trading. So if you want to trade Forex, stocks, or commodities all in one place, MT5 has you covered. Many brokers are now pushing MT5 as the future of Forex trading, right? So it's definitely worth exploring if you want more flexibility. Now, MT4 is still great, and very, very easy to use, great interface and all of that. But MetaTrader 5, has some features that MT4 does not necessarily have, right? In terms of, additional time frames, in terms of, some additional tools as well. Okay, but when it comes to trading assets, that's gonna depend on the broker, right? It depends on the assets that the broker is offering, and MT4 has been integrated into brokers platforms, right? So if you want to download MT4, you have to download MT4 from your broker's site, right? As you can see that this is MT4 for this particular broker. Okay, so if you want to use MT4, you have to use the broker's version of MT4, but MT5 is general, right? You can see this is a general MetaTrader 5 application. Can you see that? So you can actually log into any broker that offers MT5 accounts using this MT5 platform. But as for the MT4, you will notice that you would have to just log into the account specific to that broker, all right, for MT4. Now let's quickly talk about TradingView. All right, let's quickly talk about TradingView. This platform is a little different because it is web-based, all right, and it is built with traders in mind, who want advanced charting and community features. TradingView is known for its beautiful charts, tons of technical indicators, and easy to use drawing tools, right? But what sets it apart is its social side. Okay, its social side. You can share your analysis, see what other traders are thinking, and even use community created indicators. All right, and if you are the type of trader who loves clean visuals and collaborating with others, TradingView might quickly become your go-to platform, coupled with the fact that the number of indicators available on TradingView, wow, there are so many. All right, So it's actually a great platform for analysis. Okay, TradingView is a good platform for analysis. All right. So another strong contender, all right, another strong contender is cTrader. Okay, cTrader is actually another strong contender. This one stands out for its, sleek design and professional grade order execution. Okay, many traders who prefer ECN accounts and direct market access could gravitate towards cTrader, because of its transparency in pricing and the depth of market features. All right. cTrader is also great for algorithmic trading. Okay, and it offers, a different feel compared to MT4 and MT5. All right, I'm still waiting for the cTrader platform to come on so we can just see the interface. All right, so if you have not used cTrader before, well, you might want to try it out maybe on a demo account. Right, it's a great platform as well. Okay. um it's a platform that you can, try out if you want more control over execution, and if you want more control over execution. Okay, let me just log in quickly. All right, I am logged in now, so you can see that cTrader also prioritizes security, and in order for you to be able to access its features completely, you need to actually have an account, right, with cTrader platform. Okay, so if you want more control over your execution and the platform built with advanced traders in mind, cTrader is actually worth trying. You can see that the interface is quite different from that of MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and of course TradingView, right? You can see here we have the particular asset, whatever asset that you want to trade. You can just come to your watch list here, right? If you want to search for a particular asset, you can also do that here, as you can see, right? Just search for the particular asset, just tap on it, and you're going to have your chart open here. If you want your chart to be expanded, you can see, you can do that. Maybe you want to just focus on the chart alone. You can give an expanded view of that, right? And then you can see here, all right, here you have your watch list, all symbols here, for algo trading, copy, and then here you can see for your orders, if you want to place orders, the market orders, limit, stops, stop limit, and the rest of that. Okay, so which is the best forex trading platform or application in your opinion? The answer really depends on your trading style, right? If you like simplicity and a vast library of custom tools, then MT4 might actually be hard to beat. Okay, if you need versatility and advanced features, right? If you need versatility and advanced features, then MT5 might be your natural upgrade. Okay, M5 might be your natural upgrade. But if you want cutting edge, charting and social trading, then TradingView might be the one that you go with. TradingView has got you covered. All right, if you are seeking cutting edge charting and social trading, right, then you can actually go for TradingView. So if you value transparency, execution speed, and professional tools, all right, then cTrader is a fantastic choice. So at the end of the day, the best platform is the one that matches your personal trading needs. All right, many traders even use more than one. For example, they might analyze charts on TradingView and maybe place their trades on MT4 or MT5. Yes, you can actually do that. So before you go, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We upload regular videos on forex trading strategies, platform reviews, and tips to help you sharpen your edge in the market. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new update. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.